Alright, I'm going to tell you right away, I'm using this completely wrong. Okay, so this is the Grams28 132 Essential Case Pro. This is a tech pouch, tech sling case that is essentially used to organize, for instance, a switch could fit in here, or a small camera, or some tech essentials that you need or might want to carry around during the day, or maybe on a flight. You can actually attach straps on here to use it as a sling. But as I said, I'm using this the complete wrong way. So, full disclosure, I actually posted on Instagram that I am in dire need of a Dopp kit and was looking for recommendations for a Dopp kit, and Grams28 saw that story and said like, oh hey, we don't have a Dopp kit, but we have this Essential Case Pro. It's not a Dopp kit, but it could work as a Dopp kit. Do you want to try it out? And I answered, sure, I'd be happy to check it out and use it the completely wrong way, but as all of my reviews and videos, I sent them over my terms and conditions and ethics statement and told them that I will do an unbiased video and they have no say in this video, in whatever I'm saying, in my opinion, obviously, and they don't see this video before anyone else. They see it the same time as all of you do. So yeah, as mentioned, I just want to repeat myself, I'm using this the wrong way. Going over this bag, it is made out of high quality Italian leather and an YKK AquaGuard zipper. So from that perspective alone, this is a great Dopp kit, because obviously this zipper is supposed to keep the tech items that you have inside dry, but with this will also keep liquids, or supposedly keep liquids, inside. Again, it's not intended to be used that way. And truth to be told, I am pretty aware of the fact that I'm using something high quality and very nice as a Dopp kit, with the risk of liquids inside spilling and therefore damaging the bag. And this is definitely an overkill for a Dopp kit, but yeah, I wanted to test it as that, and I do realize that many of you will say this might be, yeah, as I said, an overkill and probably a little bit stupid and wasteful, but it is a very good test to see how this has performed, because I have been using this over the holidays in December, over Christmas and over New Year's Eve for a couple of small trips, and used it as a Dopp kit. Fortunately, nothing has spilled inside, so everything is still, from my perspective, still quite nice. Before we go into it, of course, let's look at some of the, in air quotes, features of this tech pouch, Essential Case Pro. As I said, high quality leather, AquaGuard YKK zippers, the attachment points for the strap if you want to use it as a sling bag, and a small grab handle on the top, but also a small grab handle on the side. So if it's in your bag, you can easily just grab the small tiny grab handle to pull it out of the bag. So let's go into this case. You have dual zippers, so you can open it from either side. And here we go. Just like any other tech pouch or organizational bag, sling bag, you have a lot of slots, which is basically why this is also a great Dopp kit. One thing to keep in mind, this is not a Dopp kit, so the interior is a very nice and soft and maybe absorbent material. You know, some Dopp kits have inner fabrics that don't absorb the liquids and the moisture that is inside, so it's easy to wipe off and stuff like that. But because this is not intended to be a Dopp kit, this is obviously not that kind of lining. It is more soft lining to protect the items inside. Essentially, your tech items with displays like a Nintendo Switch, for instance, or your phone. So if something would spill, it would absorb a little bit into the lining. It would be not as easy to kind of wipe off. That's definitely something to keep in mind. That being said, good bottles that keep your liquids safe, for instance these ones from Gravel, which I do like a lot. By the way, I will put affiliate links in the description below. If you want to get any of these items, I will put links in the description below. With that, you won't pay more, but you will support the channel with a small kickback of that sale. And yeah, these bottles, this is one is labeled for soap and this one is labeled for shampoo. These are very soft, so it makes it easy to clean them out once they're empty, but also to kind of more easily squish stuff out of them. I like these a lot, and I would recommend to basically get these kind of bottles instead of buying those travel sized shower or shampoo bottles, because they're very wasteful and also more expensive. I would recommend invest once in one of these travel size refillable bottles and then buy the regular sizes of shower gel or shampoo, and then just always fill these up depending on how long you might travel. Again, if you have good bottles, also I have these bottles from Muji. This is with a face lotion and this is with a face gel to wash off my face. I have very oily skin, so I need to kind of wash it. Now that I'm getting older, it's not that much of an issue, but I would say still 5 years ago, being in the mid 30s, I still got pimples because of my oily skin. So it is important to kind of wash your face off after a long day, especially when you're traveling in some cities like Jakarta. There's a lot of dust and dirt, smog in the air. So it is very easy for your skin to kind of build up dirt with the oils on your skin and then get pimples much easier. So even if you're older, you're not safe from getting pimples. So yeah, a little bit of face maintenance goes a long way, especially when you're getting older. You will get wrinkles. We can't get away from that. So yeah, take care of your face. Keep it moisturized and stuff like that. And going back, if you have good bottles, then it is less likely that stuff will spill in your Dopp kit. So I stored these in these small side slots. Overall, you have two, I would say slightly wider slots on one side than the main slot. Then you have 3 smaller slots over here in which I store dental floss, the head of my electric toothbrush, which is here. This is a one from Philips, a Sonicare. It is fairly big, so that is also a testament to how much you can fit inside. So shower gel, shampoo are in this main slot, not in a side slot. This is, I'm not sure how you call it. It's not braces, but it's for my teeth, because I'm kind of, when I'm sleeping, I'm biting on my teeth. So I need this kind of thing in my mouth. It's kind of like a mouth guard for boxing, but a little bit harder and not as soft. Then you have a second big slot where I don't store anything. Toothpaste in one slot. And then I have deodorant. I use this, it's not liquid. Yeah, it's a solid / liquidy deodorant, because my skin doesn't work with the regular deodorant that is roll-on or that is a stick. And I use this kind of solid deodorant because it's better for my skin under my armpits. So that's what I use. It's called Wolkenseife. It's a German brand that is translated to cloud soap. I'm not sure if that is available in other countries, but yeah, I'm using that for deodorant. Then you have a small little slot here, which I would say it's good. If you use this as a tech pouch, this is good for a small little thin field notes, for instance. Then you have a zippered pocket with 3 more small little slots. If you would use this as a tech pouch, this would be the best place for maybe your small little game cartridges of a Nintendo Switch, SD cards, but I store in here eye drops, and this is not ibuprofen, but this is vitamin C. Yeah, so if you have like medication or stuff, you could organize them in here. And now putting all back in here again, just to show you that everything fits quite well and is organized quite well. Yeah, that's how I use this Dopp kit. And oh yeah, over here in this one slot, we have some body lotion, but that's about it. To come to a conclusion of this Essential Case Pro, Grams has these numbers, I always forget. Grams always has these numbers. This is the Grams28 and the model number is 132 Essential Case Pro. As I said, I can only repeat myself. This is not a Dopp kit. I'm using it completely wrong, but it doesn't matter because it works well. You have a lot of slots to organize your stuff. And if I can organize all of these bottles and all of this is also a tech item. This is an electric toothbrush. This would also work very well for your tech gadgets that you want to bring on a flight, for instance, like iPad mini, for instance, a Nintendo Switch. I'm soon getting a small little handheld gaming device that would fit also in here quite well. Obviously, if you have something like a mouse, this would fit easy. So as a tech pouch, this is great. As a Dopp kit, this is great as well. But few little caveats like this inner lining that will absorb all of the moisture, or if something spills, it will absorb and will not be as easy to clean. But again, if you use a good bottle like these ones from Gravel or the ones here from Muji, then this will work perfectly fine as a Dopp kit. A bit of an overkill for a Dopp kit? Definitely. But this is still a very good case. High quality leather, very well made. The organization is great. So as a pouch with organization for smaller items, for medium-sized items, incredible. Highly recommended. And yeah, I have been using this as a Dopp kit. I'm not going to use this for anything else. This will stay my Dopp kit. Again, totally overkill. Wouldn't recommend to do it yourself because it is overkill, but this case is amazing. I like it a lot. I can see this as a very good competitor to the Evergood's Civic Access Pouch 2, which is about a similar size, has about a similar organization. So if you're looking for an alternative to the Civic Access Pouch 2 because you want something that is looking a little bit more, let's say, stylish, and maybe you're carrying a briefcase, wearing a suit, and you want a tech pouch that fits that briefcase, that professional attire, then this is a great alternative to the Civic Access Pouch 2 and use it as a tech pouch. But if you want to use it as a Dopp kit, as I do, it works as well. Alright, this was the Grams28 132 Essential Case Pro. My review of it, I like it a lot. I can highly recommend it. Maybe for you not as a Dopp kit, but as a tech pouch. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. What is your Dopp kit of choice? What do you carry all of your liquid, your toothbrush and stuff like that? What case or what bag do you use to carry all of those items when you're traveling? And what do you think about this case? Do you like it? Or do you prefer something else? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, also comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you won't miss next videos. Also check out my Instagram, second channel and podcast at You Know The Bow. Stay safe and healthy everyone, and I see you in the next videos. Thank you very much.